right in front of me. Oh, the stinger. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh yeah. He almost got me with the barb. Maddie GTB kayak fishing. Here we go, guys. Today's been great. It's Saturday, so we can cut across. All right, we are pretty well prepared, I think. All right, gonna go on the scenic detour. So what's the plan? 50 grand. Okay.
So we're gonna cross it, and then we're be in a bunch of tunnels where there's no boats. It's only just
kayakers
and paddle boarders.
Okay.
Like that.
Nice.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
What we're gonna do? Go right there. Right there. Wait, he's going, Matt. He's going for it, buddy. He's going for it. Take a second before he starts going, but I think he did eat it.
I think he did too. Might have a possible stingray on in a second.
He picked it up. I would say try reeling. See what happens. Can you bail?
He's got it. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. He's right here in front of me.
Oh, okay.
He's right here in front of me. Oh wow. Oh, he's right in front of me. Oh, the stinger. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh yeah. He almost got me with the barb. Oh, this is crazy. He's upside down.
It's in his mouth?
It's in his mouth. Look, it's in his mouth.
If he flips over, he's going to scream on you, man. That reel is going to start screaming.
I want to get away from the barb. He can't flip over.
Open the line. That'll give him a chance to flip.
This is wild. You don't see that every day.
Oh, that's a good picture.
He's there. He's there. He's there.
There he is.
There he goes. Okay.
He's flipped.
Okay. He's probably expended so much energy doing that though.
Yeah. He might be just so tired, buddy. That was very unusual. I've never seen that.
Wow. Alright, so I had my first stingray on, but unfortunately he was upside down for probably a good 7-8 minutes and he's probably pretty exhausted. Got it. Sorry, buddy. Alright, so we're going to go around this point up here on that orange sign. Try to get in here before it gets too dark. We're going to go through the mangrove forest and we're going to have to go through some tight quarters. And watch out for spiders. Definitely gotta lay the rods down in here. This is sweet. To lay down a little bit.
Okay, so I'm gonna wait for you here, Matt.
Okay.
And I would really suggest you put the pedals in here.
Is this where the danger zone is? Danger zone. Gonna take a ride into the danger zone. This is where people get hit. All right. All right, let's put the rudder down. So listen for boats. Going straight across. Gonna zigzag through.
Fish though, Matt.
What?
We're not fishing here.
Oh man.
No, dude, not right now.
Can't fish. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this canopy. This is freaky. Especially if there's like a snake hanging down and like bites you. Gotta duck around. Steve's got to go low. Look at him with his hat, his fancy hat. Dun, 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 dun. Doo, doo, doo.
Sound effects. I don't know of any other place in the Keys that you can do this.
Not this close and not with these canopy like hangovers. Hell no. I'm glad we decided to do this.
This is the highlight of most people's trip. So I'm glad you got to do it too.
All right, we're going like really low.
Yeah, but this is going to open up here.
Okay. I wonder if we should get the paddle out, but I think we can make it around here. I'm gonna go real low right here. Gotta lay down, lay down. Just test out my fancy athletic skills here. Ah! I think we got it. Man, this is fun. Getting a heck of a workout, got some scenery. Luckily it's getting a little easier ahead. This isn't too bad. Look how pretty this is. This is so sweet. What's that?
Right here.
Oh, you saw him swimming?
I saw the bubbles.
Oh.
Splash. I'm pretty sure it was in water.
It's not even like hot back here. I guess back here in July would be something else.
Yeah, that's maybe why the bugs are not here right now, too.
I'm not complaining. You said manatees come through here?
No, I haven't seen them this deep in, but yes, in this canal, yes. This is a little shallow for a manatee. Maybe not right now, but at low tide, this is shallow.
Probably some big snook in here.
Big snook. Big snook, little tarpon I've seen, big giant snapper, sharks, big sharks.
Big sharks?
I've seen giant sharks in here.
Really?
I've seen 6-foot nurse sharks in here.
Wow. Steve just told me that there's starfish and seahorses in here. That's cool. I don't think I've ever seen a seahorse in... I've seen them at the aquarium, but that doesn't count.
About 3/4 of the way done now, Matt.
Okay. So we're going down this way, and as Steve said, there's a good amount of crocodiles down here usually.
There's usually at least 1 or 2 crocodiles that live down.
Okay.
I've seen them here many times.
It's kind of nice and open too.
Yeah. There's a little tunnel coming up, but
And the crocodiles really won't get that close to you.
they will not.
Will not.
They want nothing to do with you. They're looking hard for that crocodile.
Right?
Right in here is where you see it.
Going through the, I think, second to last tunnel. Have not seen a crocodile yet, but trying to be optimistic. Gonna go in some tight spots in a minute. Gonna duck down.
I got a video of a mom manatee and a baby manatee right here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Is that his boat? The Happy Cat?
Yep, that's one of his boats. So there's the signs for the crocodile. They normally hang out here. This is the guy that used to have the, used to be a, whatchamacallit, a commercial, what's it called? Spear fishing guy.
Okay.
This is where we would have seen the crocodile. They usually sit right there. I can show you pictures of it there, but he's not there right now. They usually sit right on that seawall.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, guys, last tunnel. Here we go. Just make sure you don't stop. I don't want to run into you accidentally.
There's a big stick right here on my left and my right. Now, we're not going to be able to do it, but definitely not. Definitely not. Yeah. There's a tree down.
Okay.
There's a whole bunch of trees.
We can't go through?
We can go through, but not with the pedals.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, there's no way. See the trees?
Yeah.
And I think there's more.
I don't know if I can be able to get any footage in here, how dark it is. I'll try. Almost through. All right, coming out. Heck of a leg workout. All right, we made it out. Back in the canal.